Alright, now the RV PM is decoupled from the RV alt. You can see that they're separated here. This is the RV PM. Not touching. I guess I should actually clamp that down so it doesn't slide forward and engage somehow. There we go. Alright, so let's spin this puppy back up and see how she looks. Okay, it's up and running with no RV alt. It's drawing about 2.2 amps with bare axle. Voltage on wires 1, 2 is about 120 volts. Voltages on 2, 3 is about 150, 60, 160-ish volts. So let's shut it off real quick and see if we get that same ramp. Actually, we can adjust it so that it's about 110. No, that's close to 110. It's about 22 UF. So, input though, look at the input, it's down below an amp. So if we shut it off now, let's see what happens. That's the input. You don't get the same ramping. So power it back up, and we'll put these capacities back in that were taken out. And let's see, with that there, 160 volts, back up at about 2 amps, 2.2 amps. Now you get the amp jump. Curious. So I guess the next question would be, how do we get it so that we get the volt jump on these two, so that there's something to collect when power source is removed, while still getting the input down to the lowest it can be while it's running? Because 2.2 amps at 120 volts is still 240 watts, so let's see how that looks here next.